Welcome to another video in our series. I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today, we'll be tackling a critical issue that many maintenance and operations teams grapple with: deferred maintenance. We'll explore the risks associated with it and share a step-by-step plan to help you decrease deferred maintenance at your facility. We'll cover everything from maintaining activity logs, performing audits, working through maintenance backlogs, and proactive planning. Let's get started. Let's dive into the best way to approach deferred maintenance. This is a type of maintenance that includes repairs and inspections that have been put on hold due to limited budget or resources. It's not the most desirable type of maintenance, but it's a reality for many facilities. Ignoring deferred maintenance can have a significant impact on the health and viability of a facility, especially financially. The costs of not performing maintenance, such as fines from missed inspections and unscheduled downtime that halts production, can quickly add up. So, it's crucial to tackle it head-on. So how do we decrease the amount of deferred maintenance a facility must deal with? Here's a plan. First, we need to maintain activity logs. A big problem with deferred maintenance is the lack of tracking. Even though there are many maintenance tasks, the amount of data accessible is small because these tasks are never tracked. Here's where a CMMS or EAM software comes in handy. These tools can help you stay on top of data inputs like maintenance hours, planning, and routine checklists. Next, it's time to perform an audit. Auditing deferred maintenance will help a facility understand the depth and breadth of its issues. For instance, an audit can check all of the issues that are causing safety problems for employees, as well as where the most frequent failures are occurring. Essentially, an audit should be a way of creating a priority list in maintenance. It will indicate which issues are most critical so that a task list can be created and run through in order. The next step is to start working through the backlog of maintenance tasks. This part is tough, but it can be made easier by prioritizing maintenance tasks based on how much attention they need. Safety issues, for example, should be taken care of before small things like changing light bulbs. Finally, it's time to start maintenance planning. As the amount of deferred tasks decreases, a facility should be looking at why these tasks were deferred in the first place. Often, it's because the tasks were never planned and scheduled out. With a CMMS in hand, a facility can easily add new preventive maintenance tasks, as well as potentially increase the frequency of existing ones to make sure a backlog doesn't build up again. And there you have it, a comprehensive plan to tackle deferred maintenance. Remember, the key is rigorous planning and prioritization. With the right tools and a clear strategy, you can reduce your facility's deferred maintenance and ensure its health and viability. Thank you for watching this video. We've covered the critical issue of deferred maintenance, explored its risks, and shared a step-by-step plan to decrease it at your facility. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. For more resources and tools to help your maintenance and operations teams be more successful, visit our website at upkeep.com. Stay tuned for more, and remember, with rigorous planning and prioritization, you can ensure the health and viability of your facility.